Have you ever seen this strange file in Python projects? It looks like a secret code. Let's uncover what it does and why it's so important. As your Python project grows, you start with many Python files. Let's imagine your code is like a room full of toys. It gets messy as you add more files. To organize our toys, code, we use boxes, folders. This helps us group similar toys together, like all your cars in one box and all your blocks in another. Let's look at a basic Python project with multiple files. We'll create a simple folder structure with main.py and a folder called my_module. Python looks at folders differently. Without init.py, it's just a regular folder. With it, it becomes a special code cabinet. Think of init.py like a welcome sign for Python. When we put this file in a folder, Python says, "Hey, this is a special code area." Let's look at what this special file actually is. It's just a regular Python file, but with a very special name. Don't try to call init.py like a regular function. This file is more like a folder label than a toy to play with. Now that we have our special folder, let's use it in our main code. We'll import from our new my_module folder. A Python package is just a folder with an init.py file. This makes Python treat it like a special code area. However, starting with Python 3.3, this file is actually optional for what are called namespace packages. This means modern Python can technically see your folders as packages even without the file. But wait, why do professional developers still include it? We use it to maintain clarity, ensure compatibility with older tools, and control exactly how our package behaves when it's imported. You might be surprised, but init.py can be completely empty and still work. Let's see an example. If you're creating a package folder, always include init.py. Without it, Python won't recognize your folder as special. This file helps Python understand how to organize your code. It's like a signpost that shows the way through your code. Let's see what happens when we try to use a folder without init.py. Python will throw an error. When we put init.py back, our imports work perfectly. This is how Python knows to treat the folder as special. We can put code in init.py to make it even more special. This code runs when we import the package. An init.py file helps Python solve the puzzle of where to find code. It's like having a map in a new city. Don't put too much code in init.py. It's better to keep most code in other files and let init.py be simple. Now that we've added code to init.py, let's see how to use it in our main file. Python treats packages like trees. The init.py file is the root that helps Python find all the other code. Let's add another file to our package and see how it works. With init.py, Python can easily find code in our package. It's like having a map to find all the toys in our room. Now let's see how to use multiple files in our package. We'll import from both helpers.py and utils.py. The .in .helpers means look in the current package. This helps Python find the right files. Now that we've set up our init.py, let's see how to use all the code in our main file. We can keep adding more files to our package. The init.py file helps Python find all the code. Let's make a simple test to see if our package works. We'll create a test file and run it. In big Python projects, init.py files help organize code into neat packages. This makes the code easier to understand and use. Let's review what we've learned about the mysterious init.py file. This file is the key to organizing Python code into packages. Thanks for watching this beginner-friendly Python tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more Python magic.